Welcome to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Honda PCX 125 cubic centimeters DX, a premium scooter built for comfort, efficiency, and style. Whether you're commuting daily or cruising through city streets, this scooter promises a smooth and refined ride. Design and features. The 2025 Honda PCX 125 cubic centimeters DX comes with a sleek, futuristic design featuring sharp LED headlights, a black-tinted windscreen, and a spacious seat for added comfort. The premium build quality and aerodynamic styling make it stand out from other scooters in its class. Performance and power. Under the hood, the PCX 125 cubic centimeters DX is powered by a 12.3 brake horsepower engine with 11.7 Nm of torque. This refined engine ensures smooth acceleration and fuel efficiency, making it an ideal choice for city riders. Weight and handling. Weighing 134 kilograms, the scooter maintains a perfect balance between stability and agility. Whether navigating through traffic or cruising on open roads, the lightweight chassis and well-tuned suspension provide a comfortable ride. Fuel efficiency and tank capacity. With an 8.1-liter fuel tank, the PCX 125 cubic centimeters DX ensures fewer fuel stops, making it a practical choice for urban riders. Honda's fuel-efficient technology further enhances its mileage, giving you more kilometers per liter. Comfort and convenience. The 763mm seat height makes it accessible for riders of all sizes, offering a relaxed riding position. The scooter also features ample under-seat storage, a digital instrument cluster, and a smart key system for added convenience. Price and final thoughts. Priced at £3,699, the 2025 Honda PCX 125 cubic centimeters DX offers an excellent balance of performance, comfort, and technology. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend rider, this scooter is built to impress.